Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, as you can see, we are getting the garage tackled. Now I know this is a different kind of cleaning motivation. This is not something that we do all the time. It has been a few years since we've gotten this done, and it was just time to take the garage back. It was so gross and dirty, and considering that this is a place where we get out of the car every day and we come into our house and this is what we're greeted by, it was just starting to drive me crazy. So it was just time to get it done, get it decluttered, get it as organized as I could, and stop making excuses. So this is what our door looked like. This is gross. Look at this. This is what we had to come home to every day. It just got so grimy and gross. I took some simple green and diluted it with some water, and it was perfect to get all this grime off of this door. Look at the difference. You can already see how much cleaner that looks. It's amazing. So here's everything outside. I've got everything into the different piles. And then this box right here, guys. If you have a box in your house just full of cords, you don't know what half of them are for, please leave me a comment because I know that we cannot be the only ones.
It's much better. It was so dirty, so bad. It had been, I wanted to say it had been 2 years, but I think it's been 3 years. My son will be 3 in October, and the last time we cleaned it was before I got pregnant. So who knows, we're probably going on 3.5 years. That's really bad. So it wasn't so much like we keep too much junk. I had decluttered a lot of stuff in the house, so everything was coming over here. So yeah, so that, it was mostly dirty. Like, we had so much dirt and junk in here. It was so gross when we got out of the car, and it just was nasty. We also, confirming that we do have a leak in our water heater, and so that's not good. And we realized that apparently it hit its expiration date and we did not even know. So hooray for that. I'm going to try to just see it this way. I'm thankful that we caught it and we decided to clear out our garage and clean it out, because who knows if we wouldn't have seen that, who knows how long that would have gone on and what kind of damage it would have done. So I'm thankful for that. So now it's just a matter of getting a new one, getting that done, getting it out of the way, and the garage is clean. And I'm just going to show you around a little bit. Mind you, just so you guys know, I have no storage in this garage. So everything is just on the ground because we have not invested in any kind of shelving units or anything like that. We kind of have things just divided up so that I know when we do start buying shelves, what can go where. And I don't plan on buying anything expensive. I just want to say this: when you are organizing a space, in my case, I kept putting off this garage, not only because who likes to clean the garage? Nobody likes to clean out the garage. It's terrible and nobody wants to do it. But the other reason was I kept saying, when I buy, then I will. And honestly, that's just not realistic. If you are putting off doing something, organizing something in your house because you're saying, well, when I have enough money to invest in buying this, or when sometimes it's just about decluttering and cleaning it, and that makes a huge difference. Like, it makes a big difference. So if you're saying that you're not going to do something because you're waiting until you can afford to buy storage for it, or fancy, just like don't think like that. When you want to get something done, just get it done. I kept saying to myself for certain things, well, I won't do it because I want to invest in this, and I'm done with that. Organizing is about being functional and being realistic. It's not always just about being pretty and it being Pinterest worthy. Not everything is Pinterest worthy, as much as I love for things to look really nice. And yes, there's a lot of things that I'd like to do in the garage, but realistically, it's not a priority. The stuff is in here, it's now organized, it's now clean, and I'm going to show you guys.
Now, I don't know about you guys, but that is a huge difference to me. It is so much cleaner now, and everything is just separated into categories. I've got beach stuff here. We're going to sell that stove, and then I've just got landscaping supplies and some extra gas cans. And then this is all of our Christmas stuff that we were going to put in the attic, but we decided to not do that since we decorate in November for Christmas. So I'd rather have it within reach, so when it's time to take it out, it's right there. But look at how much space it takes up. So I really want to get this in the attic next year when it's time to put them away again. So then this is all of our paint for the house and our painting supplies. So when we get a shelf here, this is where I want to have all of our painting stuff, and everything can just be there and convenient. And then all of this is our outside and sports stuff. I found a crate to put all of the balls. So that's it. It was really a matter of just decluttering and cleaning the space, and it already feels so much more different when we come into the garage and get out of the car to go into the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that red subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.